Today we'll learn about chia seeds. What is chia seed? Chia seed is a superfood which is high in nutrients which helps to boost your energy and improve your health. Now let's see what are the benefits of chia seeds. First, it is good for your heart health and lowers blood pressure. Secondly, it helps to regulate blood sugar level, which helps prevent diabetes. Third, it is good for your bone health as it contains nutrients like magnesium and phosphorus. Fourth, it helps promote weight loss and improve digestive health. Fifth, it is good source of protein and high in omega-3 fatty acids and high in antioxidants. Sixth, it helps to improve skin health and is 100% gluten free. This is how chia seeds looks like. Now let's prepare chia seed water. In a glass, add 1 tablespoon of chia seed and add water and mix it well and let it soak for an hour. This is how it looks like after 30 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice into it and give it a good mix and drink it on empty stomach. And if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you so much.